Let's be honest. Being broke is one of the worst things that can happen to any man or even any woman. I've been there and I know how it feels. Watching your dreams being delayed, not knowing where the next meal will come from, being stressed about money. All these things are what you face when you are broke. What if I told you that there is a new skill you can learn, a skill that anyone can learn without a degree? Yet this skill will continue to put money in your pocket if you master it. It is called prompt engineering. It is one of the easiest way to make money online using Chatgpt. In this video, I will break it down real practical, step by step, so that you understand how to use it and make money online. So prompt engineering is basically learning how to talk to the AI the right way. You give AI specific instructions called prompts, and it gives you powerful results in order to solve your problem. Think of it like this. If you just say write an article, ChatGPT might give you something basic. But if you say write 500 words article on how small businesses can use Instagram marketing in order to sell their products with real examples, ChatGPT will give you something that will help you to solve your problem. That is what is called prompt engineering. The better your prompt, the better the output you will get at the end of the day, because everything about prompt engineering is garbage in, garbage out. What you give the AI is what will give you back in return. If you give it good prompt, it will give you good result in return. If you give it bad prompt, it will give you bad results in return. It is like knowing how to ask a genie the right wish. The power isn't in the AI. It is in your thinking. It is in how you use it. That is how you get the best results out of AI, out of ChatGPT, out of DeepSeek, out of Midjourney, and every other AI tools that are out there. Many people use prompts. They just type without thinking. They think after they have typed. No. Prompt engineering is not typing before you think. You need to think and then construct your ideas and be sure of what you want before you now type in your prompt into the AI in order to get the good result. Now, if you master this, there are so many businesses out there that are in need of prompt engineers. Prompt engineering is the new language of power. Many who understand this in this era of AI gold rush will make a lot of money using prompt engineering, and that is why it is important that you begin to learn it. It is not difficult to learn. It's something that you can easily do and make money with it. I am telling you what I am doing because already I am using it to make money, and I want you to also use it to make your own money. The world is changing fast, and AI is taking over repetitive tasks, and companies are racing to use it. But here is the catch. Most people don't know how to talk to the AI properly. And that is where you come in as a prompt engineer. Now, let us talk about how do you make money using this skill, even if you are starting with nothing. You don't need any experience. The only thing you need is to be interested, show interest, and begin to learn it. And then you will see that you will perfect as you go on in this job. One of the ways you can use this prompt engineering to make money is to become a freelancer. You can offer services like writing prompt for social media, blog posts, customer service replies, product description. The possibilities are endless. The second good way of using this skill to make money is to sell prompt packs. You can create a collection of prompt packs for specific niche, like 30 prompts for real estate agents, 20 prompts for content creators, and sell them on platforms like ST, Gumroad, Seller. In fact, I am already leveraging on this particular area because I am already selling my prompt packs on Seller and Gumroad, and you can as well do the same and make money for yourself. The third and powerful way of using this particular skill to make money is to teach it. Yes, create a simple course around it, and then people will always come to you to learn how to become prompt engineers. One thing you don't know is that people like shortcut knowledge. Yes, by the time you document what you learn in the process of learning, and then create a simple course around it, you will see that people will want to learn from you. And then when you teach, you charge a fee and then make money while teaching. So one thing that me I'm also leveraging on is this particular aspect of teaching those who want to learn how to become prompt engineers. I am already cashing out using this particular skill. And you can also cash out if you really want to be part of it. Yes, because it's not something that is too difficult to start. And if you want to learn from me, reach out to us through our WhatsApp link and our email address, or in the description of this video, and then we'll teach you how to become one. Before the end of this video, I will show you how I create ebooks and sell them on Seller. This is one skill that if you master it, you will never be broke again. Just go and learn this prompt engineering and come back and thank me in the next few months, and also share your testimony so that others can as well use it to learn. The fourth way of using the skill to make money is to work with small businesses around your area. Approach small businesses and say, I can help you use AI to generate emails, ads, or even blogs in minutes. And then you'll see that so many of them will be willing to give you the opportunity to become their consultant as a prompt engineer, and then achieve results at the end of the day. And then you charge a fee. That is how to use it to make money. So there are so many things you can do using prompt engineer in this particular area. Businesses out there are in search of people who are AI proficient, and you can become one of them, render services, and then cash out at the end of the day. The tools you need to achieve all this is just your phone. Then apps like Chatgpt, Gumroad, Google Docs, Notion to help you to organize your work, Fiverr, Upwork, Canva, and the rest of them. There are so many of them. Just use them. And then one good one that I am already using, which is very good in these things, is Gamma. And I'll show you how I use Gamma to create ebooks and then sell them on Seller. In fact, let's go to my computer so that I will show you how I did this using Gamma to create my ebooks. I even used Gamma to create one of the ebooks which I am selling on Seller right now. And if you want a copy of this ebook, it will only take you to subscribe and then go to the comment and then comment ebook, and I will send you a link so that you can view it and then see how it works. So let's go to my computer and I will show you how I was able to produce this ebook, selling it on Seller, and then using it to make money for myself. You can as well do the same. To be able to achieve this, we need these three apps: Chatgpt, Word Document, and Canva. We use Chatgpt to generate the prompt packs. We use Word Document to work on it, and then we use Canva to produce the prompt pack booklet. That is how it is done. So let's ask Chatgpt to generate the prompt pack for us. Let's drop the prompt and then see what Chatgpt will generate for us. I've asked Chatgpt to act as a fitness coach and give me 30 prompts that can be used for fitness drill. And let's see what it will generate for us. It's already doing its work, and then let's watch and see how it generates all the 30 prompts. Look at them, it's already doing it one by one. So let's look at what it has generated. These are all the things it has generated. We'll now be taking all these things that it has generated to Word document, where we work on it and then get the best result at the end of the day, which will help us to generate our prompt packs. This is our Word document. So we'll be working on the prompts here. When we paste, we'll now read them one by one and then be sure that it is exactly what we want. Then when we have worked on them, we bold the ones we need to bold, retype the ones we need to retype, and then do all the amendments we need. And after that, we will now copy it and then go to Canva, where we'll be able to produce the booklet at the end of the day. Okay, I think I am satisfied with what I want now. So I'll be copying this work now, and then I'll be going to Canva, where I will now produce the prompt pack. We are here at Canva, so let's go ahead and produce the prompt pack. So here in Canva, you choose your template for ebook, then you choose the font, check the type of font you would like to use to capture the title, you pick it, and then if the color does not match what you want, you change the color. And after that, you go to elements. You pick elements to also portray what you are talking about or portray exactly the niche you are talking about. Now, after doing that, you now go to the body of the prompt and then paste them and then begin to arrange them the way you want them to be. In my subsequent video, I will teach you how to design with Canva. But for now, so that this video will not be too long, let's cut here and then go to the next, because after doing this, what you need to do is to download it as a PDF file, and then you take the link or you drop it on any platform you want, and then you share the link to the people that you will be selling it to. It's already downloading, but I will not be saving it because it is not a finished job yet. So that is how you produce your ebook. Take it to places like seller.com, Gumroad, ST, and then you sell them. That is how you sell ebooks. So that's it. Now let's go to Gamma so that I can briefly show you some of the works I did using Gamma. This is another great tool to produce ebooks and to produce anything presentation. Gamma is a very good one. So this is Gamma, and these are some of the jobs I've done. The one I'm already selling on Seller, which is Talk to AI Like a Pro. And then this one I also did for Fitness Coach. These are some of the works I've done in Gamma. So come with me, let's check it out and see how it looks. Let's also take a look at this ebook I designed. I am already selling this particular book on seller.com. I'll drop the link on the description so that you can as well check it out. If you are getting value from this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share the video to your friends. And encourage us so that we'll continue to come out with videos like this that will help you to understand how AI works and be able to leverage on it and then make money. See, don't ignore AI, and I keep saying it. AI is the next wealth building machine. And if you leverage on it, it will help you to build wealth over time. So having seen all that I've showed you, this is the truth that nobody will tell you. You don't need to be a tech genius for you to be able to leverage on this opportunity that AI presents. You just need to be curious and consistent. Every time you write a prompt, you get better. Every time you see how Chatgpt responds to your prompt, you learn more on how to use it, and that is the secret. It is like riding a bike. At first, it will be difficult, but as you continue, one day you will be cruising, making money, and then wondering why you didn't start sooner. That is the way it is. So you don't need another year of struggling. You don't need to wait for someone to hire you. The tools are here. The opportunities are real. And it all starts with learning how to ask AI the right question. That is prompt engineering. If you want to start today, I've put together a free list of 10 prompts you can start using right now. The link is in the description. Download it, and if this is helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video to your friends. Remember that it is Amy Wealth Money Lane, where we'll talk about everything about money and how to build wealth. Start now. There is no time.